What you see today is the result of years of building, improving, and believing that Pakistan could produce denim differently.
One of the things I'm most grateful for is having seen this mill's evolution firsthand. I've seen it grow from barren land into the full-fledged industrial park it is today. Over the last 5 years, we have doubled our capacity while consistently running at full utilization. It is increasingly rewarding to see a unit that was once just a vision on a piece of paper come into reality. Today, it is one of the most advanced denim mills in the region with state-of-the-art technology and best-in-class systems. The dyeing unit behind me is one of our most recent investments into more high-quality production, which helps us develop innovative shades and ramp up our production. This progress has been built step by step, and we're very excited for where the next phase will take us.
Every operation inside Apparel Park was designed with one purpose: to create better denim through better manufacturing.
Our Apparel Park represents years of investment in the future of manufacturing, bringing advanced stitching and finishing capabilities together in one integrated ecosystem. But what makes me most proud is our investment in people, especially the women helping shape that future. Today, women represent 38% of our sewing workforce and 66% of our finishing teams. Through safe transportation, on-site daycare, and a dedicated women's health clinic, we are creating an environment where more women can participate, grow, and thrive in manufacturing. Because when women move forward, our future generation moves forward. Industries become stronger and Pakistan progresses. This Independence Day, we celebrate not only how far our country has come, but also the people building what comes next. That is the progress we at AGI Denim believe in, and the future we are proud to help create.
While one chapter is fully operational, another is already taking shape. That's what progress looks like.
Today we're here at our brand new state-of-the-art laundry. This is a ground plus 7 building that's going to be launched later this year. We're really proud of this new investment. This is going to cover about 500,000 square feet of covered area. As you can see in my background are the best-in-class machinery for laundry and for washing. We really believe that this investment is going to set us into the future and into the next decade. And really this is a testament to our belief in both the denim space as well as in Pakistan. The Made in Pakistan label is catching attention, and really this investment of about $50 million is going to set us up into the next decade. Currently this manufacturing is about 110,000 units a day, and we believe that with this manufacturing facility at its peak, we will be achieving 150,000 units of denim garments. We believe is truly achievable for us and for AGI Denim, and it's a proud moment for both us and the country.
Built over years, built with purpose, built for what's next. Happy Independence Day from AGI Denim.